Today I will show you in this video how you can buy applications or games from Play Store with the money of Google Open Android application and the solution to the problem of many users in buying app using your app money. I open my Reward application and show you how much money I have. You will see that there is 94 rupees and we will buy application using this money. Now open Play Store and show you how to buy an application. This is an application that is just 4 rupees. You can see here that my Google Play balance and not showing money of Google Open Android. After replacing a setting, the Android application will show the money in the Play Store. Let's see the setting. Touch on your profile photo. After touching, you can see an option setting. Click on it. Then you click on the general option and then click on account and device preferences. You can see that country and profiles has two options and you select the other option. After selecting it, will show under switching. Try buying an app now. Now look at the Google Play balance. The Google Open Android app looks as much money as had in it. If update shows the option, click on the update and give your address. Then click on the quick pay option and verify and complete the payment. Let me once again show you if the money has been spent from my Android app or not. You can see how much money I have spent.